Let's see, let's just check the lather. Oh, copious amounts of lather. What a nice thing to have, more than enough lather. And that's, you know, that's quality lather. Hand it to Proraso. Hey, welcome to the channel. Today I'm doing a benchmark test of lowered platinum class razors. Look at that blade packaging. This is the 50 pack. This is like the nicest blade packaging I've ever seen. I feel like I'm buying expensive imported cigarettes or something. And the blade paper is actually nice too. It's not just like little like wax paper or something. It's nice. And here's the blade. I've already got my Merkur 34C ready to go. Just load this puppy in here. You couldn't see that. And since this is a benchmark test, I'm using my new benchmark test procedure, which may not last long. We'll see. Not because of the soap or anything, but because I'm rethinking the whole idea of the way I do tests on this channel. I'm going to be using Proraso Sensitive in the white tube and a synthetic brush because I need to do a little bit more learning about how to use that Badger brush that I tried yesterday or a couple days ago. Anyway, filming these things ahead of time and then filming every day, but then posting like a few days later, I forget what's what. But anyway, let's get to lather. I'm just using tap water today. It's warm tap water. Proraso, as usual, starts lathering up very quickly, very nicely. It's not the slickest cream I've ever used, but it's slick enough, and the lather typically is very nice. I get the creamy consistency that I like. Actually, sometimes when I look at this, I kind of want to, when I look at it and smell it, I kind of want to eat it. I guess that's just a sign of the modern age, right? I saw a meme somewhere that said, you know, 100 years ago, when they put something in the manual for a car, we'll say 50, 75 years ago, you know, it was like how to actually do serious maintenance on the car. And nowadays they tell you, yeah, don't try to consume any of the fluids in this vehicle. Here we go. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. And this will become my rinse bowl. And also my kind of pre-shave bowl. So it's not a huge amount of slickness, but there's a little. All right, good enough. Let's load up the face. Oh yeah. Nice. Okay. Let us begin. Smooth. Can't really talk. Got to be really careful here. It's where I had that major stupidness yesterday. Which actually left surprisingly little aftermath, but I'll show you why I think I managed to take care of it so quickly. Now, the one thing that I don't like about Proraso, I don't know if you can see that, but look at the soap residue on the head of my razor. If you use Proraso regularly, you better be cleaning your stuff regularly because it will build up that residue. Oh yeah, that feels smooth and sharp. Nice. So this is probably the 5th razor blade I tried when I first got into safety razor shaving. It replaced the Shark Super Crown. Probably just because I ran out of my initial 5-pack of blades, and I had a 5-pack of Lords to try, and I really liked them, so I bought 50. Let's see. Nice. Yeah, feels good. Yeah. And it's on the second pass where I find out, let's see, I should say the second pass around my chin where I find out how sharp the blade is. Oops. I'm not going to just start shaving. Okay. Yeah, looks good. All right. Well, the leather looks good. I don't know if I look good. I'm getting to the point where I need a haircut again. Okay, so that was sharp. But it's not going through completely cleanly. I think the Gillette 7 o'clock Super Stainless has been the best at going around the corner of my chin. The curve of my chin. I mean, this isn't bad though. Thing is, it feels a lot like the Super Chrome, the Shark Super Chrome. Like I can't really tell too much difference. And that's what a claim I've seen online is, oh, they're the same blade. I don't know. I don't know. These are certainly packaged nicer. It might be slightly sharper. I can't really tell. What do I do here? Oh yeah. This might be a little sharper than the Super Chrome, but I still think the 7 o'clock Super Stainless is a little better. So that's when you start looking at price. And I think the Shark Super Chrome, the Lord Platinum class, and the Gillette 7 o'clock Super Stainless. The prices are in that order. So the Super Chrome is the cheapest, and the 7 o'clock Super Stainless is probably the most expensive. Generally, from what I see, and the prices I'm able to buy them at. Okay, I think that's done. Let me go here and here a little bit. I'm trying very hard to pay attention to all 5 rules of shaving, but particularly the one about being smart. Okay, so if you're new, if you don't watch too many of my other videos, you may not know that I generally only do 2-pass shaves, because it's the 3rd pass usually where I start seeing more irritation. And for me, since I shave every day, there's no reason to do a 3rd pass every day. Why get more irritation when I'm getting, a smooth enough shave to last me 24 hours? Okay, time for alum. I'm using the an Omega alum stick. It's what I've been using since I started shaving with a safety razor. And that's what I like to feel. It's almost nothing. Like, it feels like nothing when it goes on, and then it turns into just a very low-grade tingle. Yeah, that's good. Okay, and let's see, let's just check the lather. Oh, copious amounts of lather. What a nice thing to have, more than enough lather. And that's, that's quality lather. Hand it to Proraso. I mean, there's a reason they're very, very popular, like, all over the world. It's just, generally speaking, good stuff. You just gotta make sure and wipe stuff off really well, and then do a proper cleaning every so often. Okay, that's enough for the alum. When I start to feel it itch, that's when it needs to come off. Some people leave it on. I don't know how they can do that. But I've noticed that this post-alum rinse, during the post-alum rinse, that my skin does feel really smooth. I mean, not saying slick, I'm saying smooth. All right, I refilled my witch hazel and aloe from the Sterling bottle, and I was close to the bottom. I filled it up most of the way, and then I put 20 drops of tea tree oil in here. You gotta shake it up well every time. So my bottle of witch hazel and aloe with vetiver, because I kind of like that one, from Sterling, I think is going to end up lasting me at least 6 months. It probably wouldn't last as long if I was using the original bottle, but I like, this one's got a really small, it's got a really small opening, and it gives me plenty for my face. Yeah, feels good. All right. be on the safe side, I'll go with a little balm, one that I know I like and does well for irritation, which is Redken Bruise. Okay, so I mentioned earlier that I had some significant, like I really scraped the heck out of myself right about here the other day. And it looked bad initially. But here's the thing, I put this stuff on it. Oh man, what did I do with it? Okay, I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna cut. Oh, this is what I wanted to show you. It's called Live Relief. And the main medicinal ingredient in it is calendula. So this is a weird little card-based dispenser where you snap it in half, and then the contents come out from the crack. I put this on a few hours after that horrible shave, and a few hours later, it's like there was very little irritation or anything there, and I'm now like there's nothing there. I scraped the heck out of my neck during that shave, so yeah, I'm a new customer. Like I just happened to find this in the medicine cabinet, probably my wife's or my daughter's. Yeah, I like that stuff. But yeah, Live Relief Healing Cream. So that's some good stuff. Anyway, this is where I say, if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe, because subscribing really does help the channel a lot. So does liking, and so does sharing. And who doesn't want to share? We all learned to share as children, didn't we? Hopefully. Anyway, please do those things if you want to. And now I will recite the 5 rules of shaving. 1 blade, no pressure, quality lather, deft hand, be smart. Thanks. Bye-bye.